Hi, today we're going to have a look at several different MySQL functions. One of them will be count, in order to allow us to count the number of records within the table. Second one will be sum, which will allow us to get the total of the basically column values. Then we're going to have a look at the average, which will give us the average of the values from the specific column. We look at the round function, which basically rounds the values, very similar way as PHP round function does. Then we have a look at minimum and maximum to get the minimum and maximum value from the column. And that's it. So let's start with basically looking at our table. Our table again is our books table. With title, price, category, author, and quantity. We're mainly going to be using three columns here, which is quantity, price, and ID in our queries, but let's move to the query window and start working with this. So we have a select, count, and we're going to go for the ID column, and then S, records, total, and then from table, books. So now if we run this query, you can see we have 7 records. If we go to the content, you can see, fair enough, 7 records there. So that's basically counting the number of records inside of the specific table. Now if we have a look at the sum function, sum, and what I want to sum is basically the price. So price column, and we're going to call it price total, let's say. So price total from books. If we now run the current statement, you can see the total when we add all of the values from the price column comes up to 178.06. I'm not going to be calculating this, but I'm assuming it's the right value basically. Now if we go back to the query, and rather than price, we're going to sum quantity to find out how many books in total are there. So it shows us 45 books. Again, if we go to the content, 10, 11, 21, 26, and so on, you're gonna get basically the same value. So it's 45 books altogether. So now if we move to the next video and look at the average function.